Hey everybody, it's Marcelo and Jen with Coffee Sometimes Tea. We wanted to give you a little bonus section here
To
for
the
you.
last
To
one.
the last one.
We're gonna continue on this conversation. This is your bonus of utilizing apps AI in integrating some of these credit building tools. So what we found for you was
There you go.
best credit building apps. This was last year's,
It hasn't changed.
but for the most part, we do like what they had. It kind of is a carryover from the last one. Credit Karma is on here, and it's saying credit strong. It gives you a little bit of description down here at the bottom. What is it? What does it do? This one, if you pay rent, I didn't know if you knew this. When you pay rent, some of the cards that are out there nowadays, if you structure it right, you can actually pay your rent with your card. And then as you're doing that, you're paying with that. It is now allowing for you to show history, being on time, and then that's going to help boost your scores. It's going to show longevity. It's going to show a good health, and that you're on time. That all works in your favor. And these are some of the things that you want to do. What's one thing not to do when it comes to credit and history?
Not to do.
And history.
Do not close out any credit cards that you have had for 3 years or more, guys. Keep it. You know, we did the huge mistake. We closed out.
We closed out this side of the room.
We had for like 15, almost
had
15
like
years.
A 10-year history.
Yeah.
And because he didn't want to pay the yearly fee, I'm not using it. And we were in the process of rebuilding our credit.
Yeah, don't close out your cards.
He closed
just keep them open.
And then we
use them at the gas station. If you're not,
just use it. Just use it. Go to the grocery store, and then as soon as you go to the grocery store, go home and pay off the card.
You've used it for the year. They just require you to use it
every 6. I would say quarterly.
Quarterly.
So every 3 or 4 months, pull out the card that is maybe the one that sits in the back of the room or the back of the wallet. Rotate them, have them on a schedule. I don't recommend I've seen these people who have they have these big wallets, and you know who you are. Big wallets of 10, 20, 50, 100 credit cards. And you have to do this whole complex route. That's all silliness. And I'm glad that it works for some people. But for the rest of us, simple is better. Keep it simple. You can grow your account. You can grow your credit. And some of these building apps, they can help you get there. Okay. So sorry, went on a rant. But I do like this feature because we do get a lot of questions. There's people out there go, but I rent. How do I make this work? How do I boost my score? I rent, or I've got my mortgage. How can I put that to work?
Right.
So, and we'll go more further that in our school. Make sure you join us, follow us, like us. Our school is free. You want to learn more. We're going to be doing a webinar and some classes here soon. So we hope you'll join us there. And then Credit Karma. Credit Karma is where you're going to want to go to get your free scores and your report. You're going to want to monitor. And if it does have, it says it's free. If it does have a fee for service, we pay for ours because we want to know what's going on. We want to be able to pull it and then stay on top of it. If we see something pop up, immediately dispute it. And you can.
See, the cool thing on Self, you've got, it says there at the bottom, it says it also has a secure credit card. So it looks like Self, actually, you can get a credit card through them. So, you just want to read the bottom line. But before you guys jump into something like this,
don't push.
Just come
the button.
Come to our community. I'm telling you guys, it's a free community. We're not
going to be charging you.
Our main gain is for you guys to learn. We want to teach you guys the right way,
and give you some safeguards.
Correct.
Learn the safeguards before you go out and get the credit. And you're going to hear this throughout all the videos. Safeguard your credit. Know how to work with it. Know what to do with it once you get it. And then stay on top of it. Maintain it as you're growing. Because this is about personal and business development. So we're going to be covering both personal and business. And you need to know what's what and why. And how this can be all in your best interest, from renting, getting a car, to getting a home.
All the above.
All right. Well, we said we were going to keep this one short. Just wanted to kind of go over the building apps that are out there that can kind of help guide you, and just kind of look these over. Just write down your questions, comment below, ask us, let us know how we can answer, and then maybe bring some more information to you in our future videos, so that way you can learn and we can grow with you. So we want to just say thanks again. Cheers to you. We'll see you in the next video.
Bye.